Hello, today I'm here just to give you some great insight about something that is searchable, affiliate marketing. Because of the COVID and of the uncertainty around the COVID, a lot of people try to find another way to make money. So today we're gonna talk about affiliate marketing, guys. Excuse me because you see my camera is shaking. I just want to make you see my face clearly. We're gonna explain affiliate marketing under 5 minutes. Under 5 minutes, you're gonna understand why you need to join affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing, this is the business model that allows you to be in the middle of a buyer and a seller. The seller has something to sell, but he doesn't know who wants to buy them. You are in the middle and you just show the product to these people. The seller gives you a cut between the deals. So let's suppose the product was for 150. Because you become an affiliate between the seller and the buyer, the price is 170 right now. The $20 is for you. So you're gonna ask me, Mr. Vanel, how I can join program like this to make money? You're gonna go to one of these websites. First one will be ClickBank. You're gonna see a bunch of product in different niche. You're gonna join and you're gonna start promoting today when you join, and you can start making money today. The second one will be this website you see right here, which is a CG. This is Commission Junction. This is a website the same as ClickBank, but they're gonna pay you very well. So after that, you're gonna have to join a website like Amazon Associate, where you're gonna have access to promote all product that Amazon has. And this way, you're gonna see another platform, which is ShareSell. A lot of company on this company will pay you just to promote their product. Or you can just join what I call the web hosting company like SiteGround, Bluehost, and HostGator. Those are two website builder. They help people create website. When you join them, you can earn from $65 to $100. This is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing allow you just to, you don't have to be an entrepreneur. You don't have to create any product. You don't have to have a brand. You can just be in the middle and you just help people sell. So let me give you example of website that do affiliate marketing, so you can see if you can do the same thing too. Let's say for Expedia.com. Expedia promotes some flights and he has some cut on them. The same for Booking.com. Booking.com promotes some hotels and have some cut on these hotels. After Booking.com, you can have some example of cheap flights, kayak. All these site promote website. They promote for people and they are affiliates. So you're gonna ask me, how can I find client? The first method will be a paid method. You're gonna use Google Ads, Facebook Ads, or Bing Ads, which is Microsoft Ads. Or if you don't have money to start with those three, you can just start by creating videos on YouTube, free videos on YouTube related to the product, and at the description of your video, you put the link of the product. Or you can just create some blog using blogger.com. You create some blog and you keep sharing things related to the product. So when people see this, you're gonna insert your link in all articles that you read. So you're gonna ask me, for Blogger, how can you find articles? It's easy. Go to forum like Quora. When you are on Quora, you're gonna see some idea about the product, and you see some article that people read. You just take these articles, you just change something on them and publish them to your blog like blogger.com if you don't have money. But if you have money, you can just create a website using SiteGround, Bluehost, and HostGator, where you're gonna create this website and you're gonna have access to create your blog, and you can post on them. Every single day you put your link. In the meantime, you use keyword, you're gonna have a lot of visits, and those visits will click on the link and you will make money. This is how you make what I call affiliate marketing. Under 5 minutes, I explained to you. If you love this, what you have been see, click on the first link on the description to learn step by step how to make affiliate marketing, and you will just spend only $7 to do this. I am Vanel Silves. I was here just to teach you. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Bye-bye.